Do you know why Virat Kohli got a warrior tattoo on his left arm? And why do so many guys choose warrior tattoos? Let's get into the real meaning without making up a story. Kohli's tattoo is commonly described as a warrior tattoo, but more specifically, it represents a Japanese samurai warrior. Kohli has explained that he connected with the samurai on a subconscious level and wanted to model himself on qualities like discipline, skill, and honor. And that makes the tattoo much more meaningful than simply looking powerful. The samurai were warriors of pre-modern Japan, traditionally associated with discipline, loyalty, courage, duty, and honor. For Kohli, the samurai image became a symbol of the mindset he admired. And that's interesting because a warrior isn't only about physical strength. A real warrior needs mental strength. He needs discipline when nobody is watching, courage when things don't go according to plan, and the ability to stay focused under pressure. That's one of the biggest reasons warrior tattoos are popular among men. When someone chooses a warrior tattoo, it doesn't automatically mean they want to show aggression. Very often, it represents something personal. It can mean, I've survived difficult times. I became stronger. I protect the people I love. Or simply, I'm still fighting for the person I want to become. But remember, there is no single universal meaning behind a warrior tattoo. A samurai can represent discipline for one person. A Spartan might represent courage and endurance. A Viking might represent adventure, strength, and fearlessness. A knight could represent protection, loyalty, or leadership. The same design can have completely different meanings for different people. And that's what makes tattoos personal. A tattoo doesn't always have to explain your entire life to everyone who sees it. Sometimes it's simply a reminder to yourself. Every time you look at it, you remember your struggle, your goal, or the person you promised yourself you would become. That's also why copying a celebrity tattoo isn't always the best idea. If you're thinking about getting a warrior tattoo, don't just choose a design because it looks cool. Ask yourself, what does my warrior represent? Is it your struggle, your family, your career, your comeback, your discipline, or your future? Once you know that, your tattoo artist can create a design with a meaning that actually belongs to you. And here's another interesting fact about Kohli. His tattoos have evolved over the years. His left arm has later been developed into a larger sleeve, incorporating older tattoos and newer elements connected to different stages of his life. So when you look at a warrior tattoo, don't just see the armor, sword, or powerful face. See the story behind the warrior. Because a warrior isn't someone who never struggles. A warrior is someone who keeps moving forward despite the struggle. And maybe that's the real reason warrior tattoos continue to be loved by men around the world. Everyone has a battle that nobody else can see. If you love tattoos, their meanings, and the techniques behind them, subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more unique tattoo ideas, tattoo education, and real tattoo stories. And tell me in the comments, samurai, Spartan, Viking, or another warrior, which one would you choose?